Hey guys, what's up? It's B-Town again. I just wanted to make another quick video for you guys on the tips and tricks on how to make money. So if you didn't get invited to the Viewpoints app or you're not already in Facebook Viewpoints, what you can do is come into Facebook, go up here to menu, type in search, hit Viewpoints, just type in Viewpoints, and it'll bring you to the page. And you can go ahead and it'll say use app for me because I've already have it. But you can also message them. And then you can get enrolled to the program if you're not already enrolled in the program. So that's just a way that you'll be able to use the Facebook Viewpoints. You can see it's got, mixed reviews, and let's go ahead and leave a review. My first 5 today! Exclamation points. Done. Share. Skip. There we go. But basically that's how you can get it. I'm sure they'll be able to hook you up with it if you don't. You have to be 18, and it says it's only currently available in the US. So I just wanted to let you guys know a little bit more about it in case you are interested in doing the Facebook Viewpoints and earning some cash through them. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and have a great